Hello students, good morning. Welcome to our social science class. In last lecture, we have already completed till hydrosphere. Today we are going to start our new topic, atmosphere. Here we can see that the earth is surrounded by a layer of gases. Atmosphere, we all have idea regarding atmosphere because of we hear many times that today atmosphere is not proper. Okay, so that now we are starting this topic. The earth is surrounded by a layer of gases up to the approximate height of 850 to 1000 kilometers. The layer of various gases is called atmosphere. This is regarding the height of 850 to 1000 kilometers. This is known as the atmosphere on the earth. The atmosphere cannot be seen with the naked eye. We cannot say anything regarding atmosphere with naked eye. Various gases, water vapors, dust particles, particles of asteroids, salt particles, and even microorganism insects are mixed with the atmosphere. These all type of things we can feel in the atmosphere, like various gases, water vapors, dust particles, few microorganism, insects, salt particles, etc. Now atmosphere is colorless, odorless and tasteless as well as transparent. It doesn't has color, smell or taste. Atmosphere comprises of solid, liquid and gaseous matter. Major gases in atmosphere are nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, ozone, etc. So that the atmosphere near the earth's surface is very dense. Here we can see that this is regarding nitrogen. Blue color is regarding nitrogen. Here in atmosphere 78.3% is covered by nitrogen. Then 20.99% is covered with oxygen. Then 0.94% argon is in the atmosphere. Then 0.03% carbon dioxide we can see here in the atmosphere. Then in 0.01% there are various type of gases, other gases. As we go about the earth's surface, ratio of most of the gases in the atmosphere decreases. Since carbon dioxide is heavy gas, it is dense in the lower strata of the air and decrease in the above strata because of it is the heavy gas, so that we can found it in the lower strata. The presence of carbon dioxide after the height of about 20 kilometers. Oxygen after the height of, here you can see after the height of 20 kilometers, this is the layer of carbon dioxide. Sorry. Then oxygen after the height of 110 kilometers. This is regarding oxygen. And nitrogen after the approximate height of 130 kilometers is seen decreasing because of here is the amount is decreased. At high altitude there are only light gases like hydrogen and helium. Here on the high level we can find hydrogen and helium in the atmosphere. Now the ratio of ozone gas in the atmosphere is very less. This gas absorbs ultraviolet rays of sun and protects the planet from the excessive heat of sun. We all have idea regarding ozone layer. Because of ozone gas makes a thin layer which absorbs ultraviolet rays of the sun and protects the planet from the excessive heat of the sun. This gas mostly prevails in the open ground at the time of early morning. In the same way, its ratio is more in the air around the seashore, so that we can feel more energetic in the morning and on the seashore. Now, why do mountaineers carry oxygen bottles while climbing a mountain? We can think this. Due to the various particles in the atmosphere, sunlight is seen spreading on the earth. It does not become dark or bright suddenly. As sky colors off dawn before sunrise and dusk after sunset are because of the dust particles. The rays after reflected through the dust particles and we get sunlight. We all have idea that due to dust particles we can feel atmosphere like dusk and dawn before morning and after sunset. In our language we can say that Sandhya, a particular color of the around the whole sky. Sound can be heard with the medium of atmosphere. The waves of sound and light are reflected in the atmosphere and returns to the earth's surface, so that transmission of radio and television become possible. Waves of sound and light where both are reflected, so that we can get proper transmission of radio and television. In our language we are various type of talking regarding network. Okay, network ochu છે, network મળતું નથી, like these sentences we use for this, so that it's only because of the waves of sound and lights are reflected in the atmosphere and returns to the earth. Heavenly objects such as metro trees burn due to the friction of atmosphere. Ulka, we have already learned about Ulka in our language, and get damaged, thus atmosphere proves as a natural shield of the earth. Atmosphere is the word which we feel, so that it is a natural shield for the earth. Now, biosphere. The part of environment like lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere, wherever living being is seen alive is known as biosphere. Biosphere in the sense variety of life forms. This living sphere includes human, vegetation and animal life. On biosphere we can feel human, vegetation and animal life. Living being on the earth surface gets food from biosphere. Organisms of biosphere provide variety of food and raw materials to the human world. Thus, existence and substance of human life is based on biosphere. We can get our basic needs from biosphere. Import of human activities. Biosphere is mostly in the balanced condition, but when human disturbance disrupts the equilibrium of the system, then only many problems arise. Due to human disturbance, the whole environment is disturbed. This condition is harmful for human being as well as for environment. So that it is our first duty to maintain our environment. Thank you, students. I am also giving you assignment with this video. Have a nice day.